guys, welcome to the Jeep Power Wheels build part 4. So the Jeep is getting to a point where all the big ticket items are done and it's all the little things that needs to be done. So in the next video you'll see me cutting up the aluminium pieces for building a tank. So it's my first aluminium tank that I've built and first time welding aluminium. So I'm building the tank and I'm folding or bending the plastic pieces that's going to fill up here, as well as I'm going to be building a chain tensioner. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I've made the aluminium tank, the fuel tank, and it's my first tank I've built. Actually, it's my second tank. I've built one out of metal, a 3mm metal, but this is my first aluminium project that I've done. It's okay. It's had a lot of holes. I had to seal that, but it's gonna work. I've mounted it just like a quick and dirty one because I would like to build a better one with nicer cut pieces and cleaner welds. So I just want to practice that a bit and I'll build a new one, as well as I'm going to try and make the steering different later on. I've got a different idea for the steering system, and that might give me a little bit more room for where the tank is. So that's why I've kind of mounted it just with some angle iron here, angle iron on there, and then there's one piece on that side, just quick and dirty to get it off the floor. I kind of looked at it and I couldn't figure out a way to mount it that's going to look nice. So, and also because the tank is a bit at an angle, it kind of made things a bit weird, so that's why I quickly, just a quick and dirty one just to get us past now. Tomorrow I'm going to do the chain tensioner, which I have found the original one from the front suspension from the quad. I did find that one, so I'm going to reuse that for chain tensioner. So I just had that like as an idea, because I still have to make a gear shifter there, so this is kind of just an idea. Maybe I'll come off of this, come this way or come that way, not sure. But for now I've got this, I think it's ABS or something else, I can't remember. I bought it when I bought the Jeep body. So I'm just going to use the heat gun and make the first bend in it, and then kind of measure for the second one. So I'm going to be using this, I'm going to bend it, and then I'm going to use the small side. So I'll measure and then bend it with a small side to get it perfect. So, oh, not perfect, we'll see how we go with that, but I'll quickly do that. Alright, so last night I took the original chain tensioner that came with the quad, cut that piece off, and I used the TIG welder just to weld it. I drilled a hole and I welded it in there. So this is my chain tensioner, and these pieces came off the steering from the Go-kart, from that steering piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill a hole through here, go through there, and then I'm going to weld that little piece to the frame, and then just 2 nuts on there to lock it in. and we'll drill a small hole with a spring, and that's going to be our tension now. We'll just smooth those corners as well. But for now, I'll quickly just cut this off. Hey guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just want to say stay tuned, because there's a couple other things that's been done on the Jeep, so that's going to be in the next video.